What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tough Guy 40, back at you with another quick video. I just seen car language video on his year of his ownership of his Escalade 2016, just like mine almost, but I think he got the good platinum. I got the base model. So there's a response video. Love the video, man. You just put up. The Escalade is nice, real nice. I love that peanut butter interior and that wood grain, real nice. I just got the base model here, no moonroof. But still, I love my Escalade. So I had it exactly 2 years. I bought it for Christmas for myself 2 years ago. And it bought it had 56,000 on it. I got 79,111 now. So I had a lot of stuff fixed on this truck. This was my dream truck. I really wanted this truck. It took me a long time. It took me 2 Yukon Denali's to get this Escalade. But man, every time I take it to get an oil change, I tell them to look it over. If it needs something, fix it. Money's no option. I want this truck to stay running brand new. And I know you're not going to be able to keep it brand new. It's a 2016, but I'm going to try. All right, so here's some of my service records. It's a stack of them. Most of them are just oil changes. I think that one's for $76. I ain't even be able to see it, but that was $76 on an oil change. And looking over some stuff here, this one is $0. It's nothing. I had to take it back after they did the transmission fluid. I had to take it back to get the transmission fluid topped off. Here's one. $157. It was for the condenser that they fixed. Leaky air condenser. Fixed for free. They didn't charge me nothing, because that was under the known issue warranty on this vehicle. It would have cost $157, but as you can see, what does it say? Total charge is $48. I forgot what they charged me the $47 for, but refrigerant, AC, $75. Oh! They replaced my needs a Q screen. They replaced my Q screen, and that's what I wound up paying for the Q screen. The $79. I guess that was for the global reset and the diagnostics for the thing. But I paid $157. There it is right there, $157. So I got the screen replaced and the condenser replaced for $157. That was pretty good. This one right here, what's this here? What's this? That was $314 worth of work. This was the big one. That's what I wound up paying out of my pocket, was the $314. But look at the work that they did on it. $314. The total was $1,710. Warranty took care of most of that, and that was a whole bunch of stuff. I had the injectors cleaned, the throttle body cleaned. I got wipers and some other work done. You can look here and see whatever was done on it. All right, now these are the big money ones here. These are the big money. No, what's this? Because that's another $0. So it would have been $859 and some change, but the warranty, I paid $0. And basically, what was this? Let me read this. I had my heated seats fixed. All 4 of my heated seats stopped working, so they fixed them all. All right, let's see here. What's this one here? What's this one? There's a big one. because this cost me $1,386 out of pocket. But this was like the full service on the thing. I think this was my last one here. Let me get to the last page here. Okay. $2,333. That was the total, but I paid $1,386 out of pocket. This was for, wow, I got a lot of work done on this one. Oil change, tires rotated. What's that? Front rotors cut, and the brakes also. What's this here? The resurface of the rotor. What's this one? I know I got a lot of work done. Flush the brake systems. There's a air filter, cabin filter. Disinfect the AC, wheel alignment. And this was the differentials. The front and rear diffs and the center diff. Alright. And this was the last one. The big one. The big one. Out of my pocket was $1,181. But basically, that was for all 4 tires. I got brand new tires. What else? And an oil change. So that was the tires and oil change. Cost me $1,181. But you can see all the work that they did. The total work was $5,767. And that's all I paid out of pocket. But this one, like I said, was the big one. They said replaced the lower oil pan. They said it was leaking oil. What else did they do here? Okay, this is the tires right here. All 4 tires. The balance, mount and balance the tires here. Yep. And this is the one that cost all the doggone money. That's the oil change. Look at these right here. The shock absorber, which is the front, and then the rear shock absorbers. All 4 shocks, $831 a piece. So $1,663 for the back, $1,663 for the rear. For the front and back. I got all the magnetic ride shocks in the front and the air shocks on the back. That was a lot of cash right there. Woo! Man. So, man, all totaled up, out of my pocket, what's that? Around that to 12. That one, 12, 13, and then the 4. So it's like 26. That's a 0. That's 314. They're talking 29. $157. So, yeah. For 2 years, it's about $3,000 in work that I had out of my pocket done on this thing. But geez, that warranty work, I didn't even add that up. That's got to be close to about $10,000. Wow. Yeah, this thing runs pretty good. It's running pretty good. So I'm happy with the way it's running. I'm glad I got the platinum warranty. The platinum warranty cost me, I would say, about $5,500. But believe me, I've gotten my $5,500 worth of out of it. My vehicle's running excellent. I love the way it runs. Woo! Oh well, gotta cut this video short. See my wife coming home. We go up in this house. All right, Tough Guy 40, I'm out. Car language, keep up the good work, man. Love the vids. Peace.